Life moves fast. Between work, school, family, and everything in between, it's easy to put healthy eating last. We skip breakfast, grab fast food for lunch, snack on chips in the car, and eat dinner way too late. Sound familiar? But here's the truth. You don't need a perfect schedule, a fancy kitchen, or hours to cook every day. You just need a few simple strategies, and that's what we're going to share today. In this video, we'll show you what makes eating healthy hard for busy people. Easy, energizing meals that fit into real life. Time-saving habits anyone can follow. Whether you're a student, a working parent, or always on the move, this video is made for you. Let's take small steps to feel better, eat smarter, and stay healthy, even on your busiest days. Quick breakfasts that actually fuel you. Let's start with the first challenge. Breakfast. Most people skip it or grab something sugary on the way out. But breakfast really matters. It sets the tone for your whole day. So what are some quick and energizing breakfasts you can make even when you're busy? 1. Overnight oats. Mix oats, milk, and a few fruits in a jar the night before. In the morning, just grab and go. You get fiber, healthy carbs, and energy that lasts for hours. 2. Boiled eggs with whole grain toast. You can boil a few eggs in advance and toast bread while you get ready. It's full of protein and easy to take on the move. 3. Smoothies. Blend fruits, spinach, and a bit of yogurt or nut butter. Takes 2 minutes and you can drink it on the way to work. Bonus. It's refreshing and customizable to your taste. 4. Healthy muffins. Make a batch of oat-based or banana muffins ahead of time. They're way better than store-bought snacks, and perfect for kids too. See? You don't need a full kitchen or extra time. You just need 5 to 10 minutes and the right ideas. Start your day with the kind of food that works with your body, not against it. Easy to pack lunches for work or school. After a busy morning, lunch is when most people hit a wall. That's when fast food or vending machines start to look tempting. But with a little planning, you can pack a lunch that keeps your energy up and your focus sharp. 1. Rice bowls. Cook a batch of brown rice or quinoa, then add grilled chicken or tofu, avocado, and some veggies. You get fiber, protein, healthy fats, and it's super filling. 2. Wraps and sandwiches. Use whole wheat tortillas or bread. Load them with lean protein, lettuce, and veggies. Easy to make, easy to pack, easy to eat anywhere. 3. Salad jars. Layer your salad in a jar. Dressing on the bottom, crunchy veggies in the middle, greens on top. Shake and eat when ready. 4. Leftovers done right. Make extra dinner and pack it for lunch the next day. It saves time and money. 5. Add a side. A piece of fruit, a boiled egg, or a small handful of nuts makes your lunch more satisfying. You don't have to cook lunch fresh every day. Just prep smart and keep it simple. A healthy lunch is fuel that keeps you going through the second half of your day. Fast dinners with minimal effort. After a long day, the last thing most people want to do is cook. That's when takeout or instant noodles seem like the only option. But here's the good news. You can make dinner in just 15 to 20 minutes with simple, healthy ingredients. 1. Sheet pan dinners. Toss veggies and protein like chicken or fish on a tray with a little olive oil and seasoning. Bake it all together. 2. Stir-fry meals. Just grab a pan, add garlic, veggies, and a protein source. Cook fast with soy sauce or sesame oil. 3. Soups and stews. One pot, simple ingredients like lentils, beans, or leftover vegetables. Let it simmer while you relax or prep for tomorrow. 4. Pasta with veggies. Whole wheat or lentil pasta with olive oil, garlic, and mixed greens. Fast, satisfying, and better than fast food. 5. Eggs for dinner. Scrambled, boiled, or in an omelet. Eggs aren't just for breakfast. Pair with a slice of toast and salad and you've got a real meal. These meals take little time, use what you already have, and help you end the day feeling good, not heavy. No stress. No fancy recipes. Just real food made easy. Smart snacks for energy on the go. Let's be real, snacking happens. Whether you're in traffic, between meetings, or helping with homework, you get hungry. The problem is, most snacks are full of sugar and salt, giving you a short burst of energy and a fast crash. The fix? Choose snacks with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. These keep you full longer and help your brain stay focused. 1. Fruit plus nut butter. Try apple or banana slices with almond or peanut butter. It's sweet, satisfying, and rich in nutrients. 2. Yogurt with berries. Go for plain yogurt to avoid added sugar and toss in fresh fruit. 3. Boiled eggs. Easy to prep and carry. 1 or 2 eggs give you lasting energy. 4. Mixed nuts or trail mix. A small handful goes a long way, just watch the portion size. 5. Energy bars, the good kind. Choose bars with natural ingredients, not candy in disguise. Avoid snacks that come in shiny packaging and long ingredient lists. Go for whole foods, simple combos, and things you can prep in 2 minutes or less. Smart snacking isn't about eating less. It's about eating better. Keep a few good options nearby, and you'll never feel drained between meals. Time-saving habits that make eating easier. Eating healthy doesn't have to take up all your time. Let's look at habits that make it quicker and easier. First, try meal prepping once or twice a week. Spend a few hours preparing meals or snacks so you're ready for busy days. Keep healthy snacks on hand like fruits, nuts, yogurt, or cut-up veggies. That way, you'll always have a quick, good-for-you option. Cook once, eat twice. Make larger batches of meals and freeze the extra portions for later. Future you will thank you. One-pot recipes can save time too. Soups, stir-fries, and sheet pan dinners mean less prep, less cleanup, and more flavor. Stock your pantry with staples like whole grains, canned beans, pasta, olive oil, and spices, so you can throw together a meal anytime. Set aside one prep day each week to wash, chop, and portion fruits and veggies. Having them ready will make healthy choices easier. Tools like slow cookers, rice cookers, or blenders can help you cook hands-off meals while you do other things. Remember, time-saving habits add up. With a bit of planning, you can make healthy eating simple even on your busiest days. Staying motivated and consistent. Staying motivated is about mindset. Start by reminding yourself why healthy eating matters. For your energy, your health, and your happiness. Be patient. Real change takes time. Don't worry if you slip up. Every small, healthy choice is a win. Celebrate your progress. Maybe you added more veggies this week or chose water over soda. These small wins build habits that last. And most importantly, enjoy the process. Eating well should make you feel good. Keep going, stay consistent, and believe in yourself. Let's take a moment to review what we've learned today. Healthy eating is about making small, simple choices that add up over time. You don't need to follow a strict diet or spend hours in the kitchen. Focus on whole foods, plan ahead, and make time-saving habits part of your routine. Be kind to yourself. Progress isn't perfect. Every step you take toward better eating is a win for your body, mind, and future. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Remember, healthy eating is self-care. Stay healthy, stay motivated, and we'll see you in the next video.